Hello. I have been asked the same question by several people like in the last couple of days. I have been a little bit quiet lately, so I apologize. I'm working on some things, so stay tuned and thank you for your grace as I am working on some more stuff, more programs, more services, more ways that I can serve you all and help you get to your goals. So I'm super excited for what is coming for me and for you and for all of us who are wealth building. Guys, so you guys saw the title, right? The title was Transferring a Car into Your Business Name. So first, this is not like a simple, straightforward answer, which is why I wanted to jump on here and kind of answer it the right way for you guys. Because you can't, there are some things you can do and there's some things you can't do. And so listen, can you transfer a car to your business? Yes, technically, okay? So listen up, y'all. If you have a vehicle right now, okay, and you're using it for business, right, but you have a loan. So listen, guys, right, if you have a vehicle, you have a loan on the car, guys, you can't just transfer it to your business name. Now, why? When you went and got that vehicle, you went and got a loan for it. You financed it. Well, that finance company, let's say it's Ally, Capital One Auto Finance, let's say it's GM, whoever, they gave you the loan based on your name, your social, your credit, your income, right? So you have terms. It's a contract, guys. And mind you, so this is where you have a contract with that actual lender for your personal credit, guys. So that means you can't just transfer. You have agreed to terms with them. However, there are things that you can do. So number one, look, get a notebook, get a pen, a real quick impromptu answering your questions. So guys, you can, if you want to refinance out, meaning that you currently have the car in your name, your social, but you want to put it transferred to your business name, well, then you need to refinance out of that loan to refinance it into your business's name. And some companies like Ally, for example, let's go there, they have personal auto loans, they have business auto loans, okay? So there's like Toyota, so there's Ford, so there's GM, so there's PNC Bank, so there's Citizens, so there's Ally, right? So you need to refinance out. Now, a couple of other nuggets here, guys, because a lot of times, you know, I'm very big. I have my cars in my business name. I help people do it all the time. Stay tuned for some new stuff coming out to help you guys put your cars in your business name and to buy cars in your business name. This is where you also can sometimes register the car in your business name. Now, why are people even doing this? For a couple of reasons, right? For tax write-offs. So your business can own assets. So you can establish a relationship with lenders. So you can qualify for other financing. So guys, when you have a car in your business name, and or you use it for business services, guys, right? So say you're a realtor and you're driving around showing properties, seeing properties, taking clients to go see houses. Well, you're using your vehicle. Come on, somebody, for business uses, right? Let's say you're a coach or a consultant like me. You're traveling around to different events. You're traveling around to see clients. And so you're using it for business purposes. So guys, you can speak up. Closed mouths don't get fed. Tell your, when you get your taxes done, say, I'm a business owner. I have a vehicle. You know, I'm using it for business use, because a good CPA, and mind y'all, I said a CPA, certified accountant, not somebody who took a 1-hour tax course and is now working at Jackson and Hewitt or H&R Block. Y'all, I'm sorry. This is why I don't get on live, because I say too much, right? But I mean, when you are a business owner and you are an investor and you're doing things, invest in having a professional, a CPA who does taxes all day long, every day, you know, do your actual stuff, because they will ask the right questions, right? They'll figure out how much do you use the vehicle, how much you can write off, guys. So guys, your CPA will figure out if you can write off like your miles and your gas and like your maintenance. Sometimes depending on if you own the vehicle or lease it, or how much you use it. Sometimes you can write off the rental of the payments, your monthly loan payments, like your lease payments. So it will vary. How much you can write off and how you write it off will vary on what you're using it for and how the financing is. But you can't just transfer to your business name. Now, you can refinance out, or higher level, y'all, strategy. Let's say your auto loan is $15,000. Well, guys, what do I help people get all the time? 5 and 6 and 7 figures. Guys, some of you guys have business credit cards that are $30,000, 0% interest for 6 to 18 months. Come on, somebody. There's more than one way to get to the goal. And guess what? If you have an auto loan for $15,000 that is what? Like, you know, let's say it's 10% interest, and then you pay off with what? Your business credit card. Come on, somebody, that has 0% interest for 6 to 18 months. What did you just do? You did a couple things. Number one, you saved yourself thousands of dollars in interest. Number two, you're building up. You got that debt off of your personal credit report. Come on, somebody. So that impacted your debt to income ratio, right? Which made it go down, which means your credit score went up some, and now you qualify for more money. And now you're also building up some business credit. Hello. So this is where, look at how much you owe on your auto loan. Why do we build business credit, guys? Because business credit is so much more money. You can get faster, higher limits, lower interest rates. So guys, look at just getting a business term loan. Look at getting business equipment financing. Look at getting a business loan. I'm giving y'all some game here for free, okay? That can save you and make you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, right? You can get a business credit card. You can get a business line of credit. You can get a micro loan, right? So sometimes transferring a car in your business name means go get some business credit and then pay that loan off. And now you own that car outright and you get the car registered in your business's name. Come on, somebody, right? Let me just stop and say thank you for a second. I want to thank you all. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey, allowing me to be part of your process, for all of the times that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. It really means a lot. It is a blessing. It is a blessing to wake up every morning and do something that you love. How many of you all know that I love what I do? Right? It's not about credit. It's about legacy. It's about wealth building. It's about giving people options. It's about retiring your wife and retiring your husband and paying for your kids' college tuition and paying for your daughter's wedding and having multiple streams of income, right? It's about legacy and inheritance. Guys, I love what I do and I'm able to do this because of you. I don't take it lightly. So I want to say thank you to you. Right? Thank you for the support. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for the time that you share my content. Thank you for the time you tell other people to follow me. It's a blessing and I'm grateful, right? So we're helping each other. I'm using my gift and walking in my purpose, but I'm also helping you use your gift and walk in your purpose too. You know, I joke around on my videos and stuff because I'm just a goofball. I love what I do. But guys, when I pour into you, it's because it's a responsibility and I'm grateful. So I just want to say thank you guys. As I'm growing and as new opportunities are happening, I know that it's all because of him, right? It's not because of me, less of me and more of him, right? I'm blessed to be able to do what I do, but it's also because of you. Because without you, there's no brand, right? So thank you. But guys, to recap. So for having a car in your business name, if you have a loan, then you're going to have to either refinance out of that loan or possibly get approved for different kind of business credit and pay it off, guys. And it can save you thousands of dollars. That's super, super smart way to leverage your business credit, right? And also build additional business credits. You can qualify for what? More money. Please understand. Let me just say this one last thing. There is a difference. How many of you guys know that my content and how I talk to you is a little bit different, right? There is a difference between just knowing how to change your credit score, delete something. There's a difference between just building up business credit and actually getting a plan and blueprint and help on how to leverage it, how to grow it, how to multiply it, how to make it passive income, where to actually get the money. There's layers to this. Anybody can tell you a collection is negative. Anybody can tell you get a tier 1 account, but can they tell you how it's going to change your life? Can they tell you how you can build wealth? Can they tell you how you're going to build your brand? Can they tell you how you can learn it and then teach the generations coming behind you? Come on, somebody. This is not about credit. This is about legacy and wealth building, okay? So understand, that's why I'm giving you guys the options to get things done through business credit, because that's a way higher level thinking. There's more than one way to get to a goal. So if you're not able to refinance, look at how much you owe, build up some business credit. I have people in Credit Leverage Lifestyle have gotten $80,000 their very first time getting money from me and my lenders. $80,000. So guys, and if you own the car outright, then 1,000%, you guys can just go ahead and register the car in your business's name and kind of transfer it that way. Make sure you do the insurance also. And what I will also say is, remember this last nugget. Well, guys, if you own your vehicle now, come on, somebody, that is what? Collateral. What did I talk about? The 3 C's, guys. Everything I do is intentional, right? I said the 3 C's are credit, cash, and collateral. Go back and watch that video on YouTube if you don't know what I'm talking about. Well, now your company, your business owns what? Collateral, which can then do what? Help you qualify for more financing. Come on, right? So you just owning that vehicle can then turn to you getting like a $50,000 business line of credit, and then you're using that for what? Buying a property, getting an assistant, hiring employees, getting payroll, getting marketing, getting funnels, getting a new location. If you're, let's say you're a podcaster or an influencer, you're getting, cameras, microphones, lighting, right? You're using it. Come on, somebody, use something that's going to actually increase and grow your brand. Okay, guys, that was a real quick nugget. If that was helpful to you, okay, give me some heart, show me some love, let me know that was helpful. Yes, you can transfer a car into your business name, but how you do it is going to depend on if you own the car outright or not. And then if you don't own the car outright, no worries, king. No worries, queen. There's other ways to get to the goal, and I'll be happy to help you. Amen. All right, guys, have a super amazing day, and I will see you soon.